Can a simple grain influence skin aging at the cellular level? Rice water contains bioactive compounds studied for skin barrier support. Traditional use meets modern skin biology. This method focuses on structure, hydration, and surface renewal. This preparation targets fine lines through starches and micronutrients. Its components support moisture retention and optical skin smoothness. Preparation begins with raw materials. Accuracy and cleanliness affect the final consistency. Start by washing 4 tablespoons of rice thoroughly to remove dust and impurities. Soak the clean rice in a bowl of water for 1 full hour to release its nutrients. Drain the rice and set aside the water. It's packed with vitamins and minerals. Place the drained rice in a saucepan for cooking. Add 250 milliliters of water to the pan. Cook gently on low heat until the rice becomes soft and starchy. Blend the cooked rice into a smooth paste. Strain the mixture through a fine colander to achieve a silky texture. Transfer the strained cream back to a saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It thickens the mixture and creates a lifting effect. Stir constantly over low heat until thick and creamy, like lotion. Take 4 tablespoons of this smooth rice cream and place them in a clean bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to deeply nourish the skin. Add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. It helps reduce fine lines and smooth the skin. Mix thoroughly until well combined. Add 1 tablespoon of argan oil, rich in antioxidants and vitamin E. Stir until creamy, smooth, and ready to use. Apply this luxurious cream generously to your face and neck. Massage in circular motions to boost circulation and absorption. Leave it on for 30 minutes to allow the nutrients to absorb. Rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. Store any leftover cream in a clean glass jar with a lid. Keep refrigerated, it will stay fresh for several days. For best results, apply this mask 3 times per week. Now let's move on to recipe 2, deep repair and glow restoration. Use 2 tablespoons of your rice cream base. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for hydration and plumping. Mix until smooth and creamy. Add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. It helps firm the skin and reduce wrinkles. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel for a cooling, soothing effect. Mix well until light and fluffy. Transfer to a small jar and refrigerate. Apply to the face and neck using upward strokes. Massage gently for 30 minutes. It's your at-home spa treatment. Repeat 3 times weekly for glowing skin. Ready for recipe 3? Let's make a rejuvenating toner. Take plain rice water, fresh or chilled. Add 1 tablespoon of almond oil to soften and brighten the skin. Stir until smooth and well blended. Pour into a clean spray bottle or dropper bottle. Keep refrigerated. It stays fresh and refreshing. Use daily as a toner or overnight serum. Apply before bed and wake up with silky, hydrated skin. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty secrets that truly work.